Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited. I've partnered up once again with FabFitFun to bring you their 2019 Spring Add-ons. And they have some really nice things in here for Spring Add-ons. Now let me tell you a little bit about FabFitFun in case you're not familiar with it. It's a seasonal subscription box, which means you'll get it 4 times a year. And it contains full-size items, which is another thing that I really love about FabFitFun. And the items range from wellness, beauty, lifestyle, and each box is worth $49.99, but it has a value well over $200, each box does. But I have a coupon code, which I'll put in the description box below, which will allow you to get $10 off your first box. I think it's a great deal. Now also, these are like flash sales because you buy these to add on to your box. So these items will go out quickly. They'll sell out very quickly. So if you see something you want, you need to go ahead and reserve yours because you don't want to miss out. Okay, so let's start looking at some of the items that I have gotten. I just love FabFitFun. It's truly, I say this all the time, but it's like getting a Christmas present in the mail. I get so excited when I get my box and I start looking through things. It's hilarious, but I love it, okay? All right, the first thing that I see here is Philip Kinsley Elasticizer, okay? And it says it can be used on color-treated hair, and it's supposed to make your hair have a lot of shine, elasticity, and it's just really supposed to make it a lot healthier. And it contains castor oil, which is very good for your hair, your eyebrows, or your eyelashes. Now I wouldn't put it, it says not to get this near your eyes because it has other products in it, but just the castor oil part is good for your hair. Okay, and it's like, as you can see, it's a very large size, and it comes with this little shower cap that you're supposed to put on, which I think is nice. You don't have to go look for something else. It's all right here. And when you open it up, you can see it's really creamy. And it just has a very slight smell. It smells nice. It has a lot of different oils in it as well, so it doesn't smell bad at all. And the directions say to apply this to your hair, put on this little cap that they give you, and leave it on for a little while before you wash your hair, and then wash your hair. And it'll really add a lot of shine, elasticity, and healthiness to your hair. So I am looking forward to trying this because I have color treated hair. Okay, and the next thing I see in here is Luxme Nilotica Body Velvet. And I'm really excited to try this out. I have never heard of it, but it says that all the, what it is, it's a body butter, which is supposed to make your skin very moisturized. And it says that all the plants and things are sourced in the Nile area, so the fruits from the trees and the nuts and everything. So it really is supposed to give you a very luxurious feel to your skin. So let's see. It smells nice. It says to warm it up between your fingers, and you do have to work on it because it looks like that. I hope you can see. And then you just put it on, and it just, look at that hydration that my skin has automatically. Can you imagine in this cold weather or in the summer's dry heat what that would do to your skin? And it smells nice. It wouldn't interfere with your cologne or anything else that you use. So I like that, okay? I am going to be all dolled up. All right, then the next thing I see is the Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser, okay? And I've had other products from the Grown Alchemist, and I really do like them. And it just smells like a spa. It smells really nice, and it's very moisturizing and good for your skin, okay? So far, I'm liking everything that I've received, okay? And then I see Daily Concepts, Your Stretch Washcloth with Smart Technology. It's been clinically tested, allergy and dermatologist tested. It says it's for hard to reach areas, great for people with limited mobility and all skin types. And it is organic, okay? Oh, and it even has a little thing that you can hang on the shower. And you just open it up, and I see what they mean. You can just put this around you and just, you know, like wash. And it does feel like it would definitely exfoliate your skin. That is nice. I'll have to try that. Okay. And oh, then I have some Milk makeup. I've never tried it. I've been going to, but I never have. This is a blur stick, so I'm really excited about that because it's supposed to like blur, like make your pores look better, or like your fine lines and things like that. So I'm looking forward to that. And you just put it on, and naturally you can't see anything because it doesn't have a collar. But it just very creamy, very nice. You see what I can see? And it's silicone free, so that is important to me. I really prefer silicone free when I can get it. Translucent blur stick. Minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a smooth matte finish. I'm looking forward to this, okay? So I'm definitely excited about that. And then I have some Revital Lash High Def Tinted Brow Gel. I think I need some brow gel. I've been thinking about buying some. Okay, so this end just has a little, like your eyebrow brush and then a comb. Okay. And then this side has the wand on it. Let's see. And that's what that does. I have it in the soft brown. It's a natural tint, water resistant, soft flex hold, long wear. I will definitely try that. And I will let you know what I think of it. Okay. And then the next thing is this little mug. It is so cute. It says, "Life happens, coffee helps." I think that is adorable. I hope you can see it. There's so much light coming in here. And it's a beautiful pink mug with writing on both sides. But that is really cute. I love that. And then R & Company Pinstripe Intense Detangling Spray. Now that's going to be nice, like if your hair gets really tangled or your child's hair gets tangled, or if you just have color treated hair and it gets really tangled. Let's see what this smells like. It smells sort of citrusy and sort of like a spa. That is going to be nice. I'm really gonna like that. Okay. And then the next thing I see are these little note cards. It says, "OMG, I love it." And this is metallic foil right here on the front. And it looks like you get quite a few with the little pink envelopes that go with them. I just think that's nice. Okay. And then I see, oh, Pure Pillow Blend Collection. I've never tried anything like this. I'm anxious to see what this will be like. It says, step 1, apply a drop of desired product onto the Pillow Blend applicator. Step 2, use Pillow Blend to spread the desired product across the skin, then use a tapping motion to press it into the skin. And then step 3, to clean, wash with warm water and soap or makeup wipe. Cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, latex-free, hypoallergenic. I'm anxious to see this. I've never tried anything like this, like I said. Oh my, this is, I don't know if you can see it, it's cushy, it's soft. It's like a pillow top, like it says. I thought this would be hard like plastic, and I was wondering how that would work. But this is very soft. I could see maybe where that would work. And you get quite a few. And they're all very soft. You get 4 of them. So I'm anxious to try that out. And then I got some jewelry. And this says lifetime guarantee, 35% off your next order. Sterling forever, shine bright, okay? Oh, that is so pretty. I got yellow gold. I really wish I had gotten a silver, but I love this too. It's beautiful. Let me let you see. It just looks like an old medallion or an old kind of coin, and it has an extender on it. And you could even put this right on over your head, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna put it on like this. And I'll put mine on the shortest. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. It is really pretty. Okay, and then the next thing is Kate Somerville Exfoliate, and I love this. I've received this before, and I love it. It will really exfoliate your skin and give it such a nice, pretty softness. And you can see it's just green, but it's like a really gentle exfoliator. And it, once again, smells like you've been in a spa. So I'm going to have a spa time, believe me, okay? And then the last thing here, now this is Love, Beauty, and Planet coconut oil and yang yang or something like that. I hope I said it right. But this, it's a deodorant that doesn't contain aluminum. Now you can add this on to your cart for free and just try it. But it says 24-hour odor protection, no aluminum, and it's new. It smells good. It smells like a coconut. I've had something like this. It really does smell good, and I'm interested in this because I'm looking for a healthier deodorant because I am concerned about the aluminum. So it says 24-hour odor protection, 24-hour long-lasting fragrance. No aluminum, no alcohol, no parabens. So I'm very interested in this, and you can add this on for free. So I'd like to thank FabFitFun once again for partnering with me for these spring add-ons. I really did like everything that I received, and I can't wait to try out some of the things that I haven't had before. But like I said, I'll put the coupon code BLOOM10 in the description box below, and you could get $10 off your first box. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.